right, it looks like we have folks trickling in. So let's get started. Okay, hi everyone. My name is Justin Coy. I'm the head of product and I design, develop, and manage products here at Vizru. And I'm excited to have you on this introductory call where I will explain the power of AI in zero code and then a flavor on how it can be used in the competitive intelligence space. So today I'll be demoing Vizru's Innovation Hub, which is the world's first reward-driven environment for launching corporate innovation and growth. So what is the objective of the hub? So traditionally, kicking off a POC takes about 12 to 18 months, and the hub's objective is to bring that development down to just 4 weeks. So essentially, we're reducing the time it takes to deploy a solution even if we introduce AI capabilities like ChatGPT. And so the idea is that this is a community that you can join to network with other professionals in your industry, download pre-built applications, request POCs, and to gain market insights. So as a part of your membership, you have free access to the Hub portal. That's one. Our Zero Code AI Studio. That's the second. The Vizru Academy, and then a homegrown product called Trackle that lets you design interactive flowcharts. So shortly after this session, you will receive a welcome email, and then the option to reset your password should take you about 30 seconds to complete. But once your password is set, you'll log in, and the first time you log in, you'll be asked to fill in some basic details about your industry, your interests. Please note that we do take data privacy and confidentiality with the utmost seriousness. So none of our members' information will ever be used for promotional, for marketing, or for any other purposes. So no information will be shared with the outside world. So with that, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and walk you through the hub. All right. Okay, so in the top section here, you'll notice that I have available credits. So every purchase that a corporate partner makes, they can receive up to 18% back in rewards. So the more you buy, the more cash back into your wallet. And with the earned credits, you can purchase more services within the ecosystem, right? So every corporate partner has the ability to accrue rewards similar to frequent flyer miles. So we have the total earned, the total spent, and the available credits, all with their equivalent dollar amount. And as a Skip member, you'll be offered free credits for your use. So then as you participate in events, in workshops, in the academy or think tanks, even as you build new AI products, the rewards points will increase. So onto the content below. So here we can think of this page like the Netflix experience, right? Where you have the latest and greatest emerging technology, news and events all being streamed to your inbox. So under trending now, you'll start to see the power of ChatGPT. These are the insights that are related to your industry, and based on the information you provided, like your industry, your interests, ChatGPT and a few other AI systems will render all of the latest news articles that are relevant to you in your industry. So we're pulling these articles on a daily basis, so you'll always have the latest and greatest exciting new trends when you log in. So today, things are changing dramatically, and it's very tough to keep track of everything that's going on. There's a constant flow of, new ideas, new technologies, new things happening on the market. All of this will be curated and presented to you, right? And so this is a powerful tool in the field of competitive intelligence. Right, so just like Netflix, at first the content may not be as relevant to you, but the more that you interact with the system will start learning what you're interested in and then start curating and recommending, the news articles, apps, and even events. So even Skip's own webinars or any events that are happening will be curated for you in the system. So speaking of events, we have different events to participate in, such as workshops, hackathons, and think tanks. Again, all free for the Skip members. We just click to reserve a seat, and then you'll receive an email with information on how to access the event. All right, moving on to Vizru AI Studio. So as Skip members, you have free access into our Vizru AI Studio. This is a sandbox that you can set up to build an application or to download pre-built applications out of the box. We have a comprehensive AI studio that includes a UX designer, a workflow engine, a database, and integration all packaged within. So if we look up here and to the right, you see sign into Vizru Studio. If we click that, we'll be taken through a wizard to actually get your environment set up. We won't go through that today. We don't have time. However, we do have a workshop series called Practical AI in the future, in which we'll demonstrate how to use the AI Studio to best fit your needs. All right, moving on to the marketplace. So here in the marketplace, we have a whole suite of pre-built zero-code applications that you can download directly into your sandbox. So we'll click on artificial intelligence. Great. Okay, so let's say that we want to try out a ChatGPT enabled application for legal teams, for example. Great. We'll go ahead and click that. All right, we can get information about the app, recommended apps at the bottom, and then recommended market insights that are relevant to the application that you like. And in order to download, you can click request to download, right? And sorry, we'll move into a different app. Okay, so in order to purchase the app, all we click is buy now. And then you'll be able to redeem your credits to download and access the app. Again, we'll go through this process again in the Practical AI Workshop series. However, if you have an urgency, to try these things out and to get your environment set up, please do reach out to the Vizru team and we'll be able to support you getting set up there. And if you wish to reach out, please use our support chatbot located in the top right of the screen here. We have this hooked up to a live support system. So if you're ever having an issue or have questions, a live representative will be able to support you. So I'm going to stop now and I'm going to field some of your questions. Let's see here. Great. Okay, we have a few questions. Question number one. All right. So the question is, if we download an application and run a POC inside the zero code AI, how secure is our data? I guess there's a concern, would others within different organizations see the activities that I'm doing or my data? And the answer is absolutely not. So each member will be provided a secure isolated tenant. So this conforms to the global regulatory standards of a multi-tenant system. In other words, your data can only be seen and shared by you or others within your organization. Nobody else will have access to your instance. Great question. All right, let's see. Okay, second question. Once we build an AI solution, how can we take it live? So the AI Studio comes with a deployment manager that allows you to move your applications to any cloud of your choice, like Azure, AWS, Google, or even your own private cloud. We'll cover the deployment strategy in future workshop sessions. Great. I'll wait a few minutes for any other questions that will come through. Okay, I don't see any other questions coming through. But if you do, feel free to reach out using our support chatbot. All right, thanks everybody. Have a nice rest of your week. Bye.